Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. This is our EVS class. So let's start. Today's our topic is in and out. In means andar, out means bahar. You can see there are some mangoes and some apples. What is the difference between these mangoes and apples? Mangoes are inside of the basket. Mangoes are inside of the basket and apples are outside of the basket. In, out, out. Okay, students, let's see some real life examples. You can see I have a box here. One notebook is inside of the box and this is remote. Remote is outside of the box. Notebook is inside of this box and remote is outside of the box. In, out, out. Let's see one more example. Now we have a pen stand and there are some pens inside the pen stand and some sketches outside of the pen stand. In, out, out. Let's see another example. Now I have a glass and a spoon and a fork. Okay, you can see one thing is inside the glass and one is outside of the glass. Now try to give answer which is inside of the glass and which is outside of the glass. Yes, spoon is inside of the glass and fork is outside of the glass. Yeah, you are right. Now students, I have a worksheet for you. Worksheet of in and out. You can see here I have a box and a pencil. What is the relation between pencil and box? Is pencil in or outside of the box? You can see this pencil is inside of the box. This pencil is inside of the box. And this pencil is outside of the box. This pencil is outside of the box. Inside, outside, outside. Let's look another example. Here I have a box and a broom. Try to give answer. Broom is outside of the box or inside of the box? Yes, I am waiting for your answer. Yes, this broom is outside of the box. And look here, this broom is inside of the box. Out, in. Let's look another example. Here I have a pot and a carrot. Now try to give answer. This carrot is inside of the pot or outside of the pot? Yes, I am waiting for your answer. Yes, you are right. This carrot is inside of the pot and this carrot is outside of the pot. In, out. Okay, let's fill the worksheet. We will have to put a tick mark for in and cross mark for out. Okay, this pencil is inside of the box, so put a tick mark. And this pencil is outside of the box, so put a cross mark. Now this broom is outside of this box, so what we put? Cross or tick? Cross mark. For outside put a cross mark. For inside put a tick mark. Okay, now carrot is inside of the pot. For inside put a tick mark. For outside, put a cross mark. I hope you understand. Dear parents, I request to you, make a worksheet like this and give it to your ward and help him or her to complete it. Thank you. Have a nice day.